In this video, we're going to cover the equipment module. In order to access the equipment module, first log into the stationboss.net platform. You'll be brought to your dashboard here. Once you get to your dashboard, go down to where it says equipment on the left hand side here on the menu. Select that option. The next step is going to be to, at the top right, there's a button that says create equipment. Select that button. So it's going to ask for equipment name. So in this case here, we're going to give it, let's just say SCBA 1. The next step is going to be the service status. You can do out of service, retired, or in service. We'll leave it in service in this case. The equipment category, you can set these up however you wish, but in this case, we're going to go ahead and set up let's just say air packs. And let's say we want to expire these in every 5 years. You can give it a serial number. You can set a manufacturer date. Now this date here is very important. The reason why is because when you go ahead and save this record, it's going to generate an expiration date based on the expiration term that you selected in the equipment category field here. And then so you can go ahead and set an in-service date. Right here on the equipment assignment, you can assign this to in-station, any of your personnel, as well as your apparatus. So let's just say you're a fire department or a volunteer fire department and you assign your firefighters air packs, then you could assign it to them. Or, you know, in this case, let's just say we're going to assign it to an engine. You can attach a photo as well if you wish. Once you do that, you'll go ahead and hit the save button. From there, you'll see that it generated the expiration date, which you'll be able to use in your reports at a later date. Also, if you go into this engine, you'll be able to scroll down and you'll be able to see any assigned equipment that is assigned to this truck here. And you could do the same thing if you were to select any personnel or if you would have selected a station in this equipment assignment field here.